Hey guys, today I'm just doing an adoption video for my Webkinz Rockerz cat. And I'm going to be naming her Raquel, so yeah. I already did everything pretty much, so yeah, sorry if this is weird, but
congratulations! The adoption
her
is
name
complete.
is Raquel. She
Thank
was
you for
born
adopting
July
another
5th.
Webkinz.
She's a Rockerz cat, and it says, "Hi, I'm Raquel. I'm so excited. I'm your pet. I've been told that I'm easygoing, a joker, and a whiz kid. I love reading scary stories, and one of my best friends is a signature fox. Want to know a secret? I love pancakes and always wanted red roses." Yep, so
If you would like to adopt another pet, you can do so now. Otherwise, have fun in Webkinz World.
takes a while to load. Hope I don't have to redo this. Yeah, so congratulations, you're no longer a pet. You could pause that if you want to read the rest of it. And okay, so sorry. Guess I wasn't prepared today. Okay, so I have a Rockerz cat gift box right here. I got a Rockerz cat concert clothing case, a welcome balloon, that's blue, and a dressing room vanity, and a bonus gift box. And I got 1,000 King Cash coin. Rockerz Super Sunglasses, Rockerz Superstar Top, and Rockerz Pink Feather Skirt. I think I also got the shoes. I don't know. But yeah, I'll just put it on. Sorry if this is like taking so long. And I think, yeah, I got another pair of those. Okay, so that looks really cute. Sorry if this video is very bad. I kinda just woke up and my mom surprised me with this. Okay, and she goes over to the vanity once it sits down. Oh, it lights up. That's really cute. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So, bye guys.